If these points are collinear, then AB is equal to BC plus CA, or BC is equal to CA plus AB, or CA is equal to AB plus BC. So first of all, by using distance formula, we have to find out AB square, BC square and CA square, then comparative of addition of 2, which is equivalent to one side. So first of all, we find out AB square. So it is equivalent to, putting this value, so 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square. As we know that 1 minus 3 we get minus 2 whole square we get 4, and 4 plus 2 we get 6 whole square of 6 whole square we get 36 plus 4 we get 40. Now BC square, it is equivalent to, putting this value of coordinates of P and C. So BC square is equal to 3 plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 16 whole square. So 3 plus 3 6. Now 6 whole square we get 36, minus 2 minus 16 whole square, that means minus 18 whole square we get 324. It is equivalent to 36 plus 324, it is equivalent to 360. Now we find out CA square. Again this, putting this value, then we get minus 3 minus 1 square plus 16 minus 4 square. As we know that minus 3 minus 1 whole square, that means minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 whole square we get 16, and 16 minus 4 we get 12. 16 minus 4 we get 12. So 16 plus 14 we get 16 plus 144 we get 160. Now AB is equal to 40, then square root of this, then we get 2 root 10, and BC is equal to square root of 360, it is equivalent to 6 root 10, and CA is equal to 160 square root of 160, it is equivalent to 4 root 10. Because of 40's factor of 40, we get 10 for the 40, then we get square root of 4 into 10, we get 2 root 10. BC equal to root 360, then we get hundreds, it is equivalent to 6 root 10, then CA is equal to 160, then 10 16s are 160, so square root of 16 into 100, then we get 10, so we get 4 into root 10. So AB plus CA is equal to 2 root 10 plus 4 root 10, it is equivalent to addition of this value 4 plus 2, that means 6 root 10, it is equivalent to BC. So we have AB plus CA is equal to BC, so that thus points A, B, C are collinear. So we can easily understand. Now next example, if the distance between the points 5, 7 and minus 3m is 10, then find the value of m. અહીં આપણે m ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે, અને ડિસ્ટન્સ બે પોઈન્ટ્સ વચ્ચેનો ડિસ્ટન્સ આપેલો છે, which is equivalent to 10. Now we have to find out the value of m. Again we use two distance formula in these examples. Let us see the solution of this example. Let the given points be E5, 7 and B minus 3m. We are given that AB is equal to 10, which is already given in the statement. So AB square is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So putting the value of AB, which is given already in statement. AB is equal to 10, putting the value of AB, so 10 square plus putting the value of x1, x2, y1, y2, so it is equivalent to 5 plus 3 square plus 7 minus m whole square. Now 10 square and 5 plus 3 8 square, which is given moving on left hand side. So we get 10 square minus 8 square, it is equivalent to 7 minus m square. So we have 7 minus m square is equal to 10's 100, which is square of 10, minus 64, which is square of 8. Now 100 minus 64, we get 36. So that we are taking square root on both sides, then we get 7 minus m, it is equivalent to plus or minus 6. Now we have 7 is going on right hand side, so we have m is equal to 7 plus or minus 6. Finally we have m is equal to 7 plus 6 or 7 minus 6. So we get m is equal to both value 13 or 1. Now next example, here a minus 1 3, b minus 1x, c 4 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Here measure of angle B is already given, which is equivalent to 90 degrees. Now using the distance formula, find the value of x. Let us understand by the figures. Here figures is given that with coordinates a, b, c given with coordinates a minus 1 3, b minus 1x and c 4 3. Here angle B is it is equivalent to 90 degrees. It means right angle. So ABC is a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, we have to write AB square plus BC square is equal to CA square. Now using distance formula, AB square is equal to minus 1 plus 1 square plus 3 minus x square plus minus 1 minus 4 square plus x minus 3 square is equal to 4 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. Now minus 1 plus 1, it is equivalent to 0. So 0 square we get 0. Now 3 minus x square, as we know that a minus b square, factorization of a minus b square. So you have to study familiar with the factorizations. So using a minus b whole square formula, we know that a minus b square whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So using this formula, 3 minus x square is equivalent to 9 minus 6x plus x square plus minus 1 minus 4, we get minus 5. So minus 5 whole square, we get 25. Now again using the formula of a minus b square, so x square minus 6x plus 9, it is equivalent to right side 4 plus 1 5 square, we get 25, and plus 3 minus 3 whole square, we get 0. So finally we have 25 on both sides. तो 25 बन्ने बाजू थी कॉमन लेता, we have in this session, so we get to x square minus 6x plus 9, it is equivalent to 0. So 2 is we get x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. As we know that x square minus 6 plus 9, it is equivalent to x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So we get x minus 3 is equal to 0. Finally we have x minus x is equal to 3. Now next example, prove that a 6 minus 1, b 0 minus 4 and c 2 minus 8 are vertices of right angle triangle. Let us we understand using the distance formula, ab square is equal to 6 minus 0 whole square plus minus 1 minus 4 So minus minus plus 4. So we have to write minus 1 plus 4 whole square. So 6 minus 0 we get 6. 6 square, it is equivalent to 36. And minus 1 plus 4 we get 3. So 3 square we get 9. So 36 plus 9 is equivalent to 45. So BC square is equal to 0 minus 2 whole square plus minus 4 plus 8 square. So 0 minus 2 we get minus 2 whole square we get 4, and minus 4 plus 8 we get 4. So 4 whole square we get 16. So 4 plus 16 we get 20. So we have BC square is equal to 20. Now we have to find out AC square. It is equivalent to 6 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 plus 8 whole square. So 6 minus 2 we get 4. Now 4 square 16. Minus 1 plus 8 we get 7. Now 7 whole square 49. So adding 16 plus 49 we get 65. So that here AB square plus BC square. So putting this value of AB square and BC square. So 45 plus 20 we get 65, which is equivalent to AC square. So now we prove that AB square is equal to BC square is equal to AC square according to Pythagoras theorem. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So we prove that. Now next topic is circumcenter of a triangle. ત્રિકોણના ત્રણેય બાજુઓના લંબ દ્વિભાજકોના છેદબિંદુને આપેલા ત્રિકોણનું પરિકેન્દ્ર કહે છે. Let us see this figure. The center of a circle passing through all the vertices of a triangle is called circumcenter of a triangle. This is a definition of circumcenter of triangle. So we can easily understand by this definition. It is also the point of concurrence of the perpendicular bisectors of these sides of a triangle. Here P is the circumcenter of triangle BC, which is we already see this figure. So P is the center points of circle as well as the circumcenter of a triangle. Hence PA is equal to PB is equal to PC is equal to R, which is equivalent to circumradius. So here PA is equal to R, PB is equal to R, and PC is equal to R. So R is denoted by circumradius. There is no explicit formula for the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle. એટલે કે ત્રિકોણના પરિકેન્દ્ર માટેની કોઈ વ્યાખ્યા નથી કે કોઈની સૂત્રો નથી. વ્યાખ્યા definition already discussed about this, but circumcenter of triangle માટેની કોઈ standard સૂત્ર નથી. The circumcenter of a right angle triangle is the midpoint of its hypotenuse. એટલે કે કાટકોણ ત્રિકોણનું પરિકેન્દ્ર એ આપેલા કર્ણના મધ્યબિંદુનું બરાબર હોય છે. Now let us see the examples one by one. Using distance formula, so that the points 4, 3 is the circumcenter of triangle ABC, where 3 points, 3 vertices of a triangle is given, which is already given, and A 9, 3, B 7 minus 1, and C 1 minus 1 are the vertices of the triangle. So let us understand by the given figure. We can easily understand this figure. and P is the circumcenter of a triangle with coordinate for 3. Let P for 3 be the circumcenter. So P square is equal to 4 minus 9 square plus 3 minus 3 square, it is equal to 25. 4 minus 9 we give minus 5 whole square. So minus 5 whole square we get 25, and 3 minus 3 we get 0. 0 whole square we get 0. So 25 plus 0, it is equivalent to 25. Again by using distance formula, as we know that PB square is equal to 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. So 4 minus 7 we get minus 3. So minus 3 square, as we know that 9, and 3 plus 1 4. So 4 square we get 16. Now addition of 9 plus 16 we get 25. So PC square, it is equivalent to 4 minus 1 square plus 3 plus 1 square. So 4 minus 1 we get 3. 3 whole square we get 9. Now 3 plus 1 whole square we get 4 square, that means 16. Again 9 plus 16 we get 25. Here see that PA square it is equivalent to 25, PB square is equal to 25, and PC square is equal to 25. So we have to write PA square is equal to PB square is equal to PC square, it is equivalent to 25. So we have to write PA is equal to PB is equal to PC. So that P for 3 is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Now next example, find the circumcenter and circumradius of a triangle having vertices 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 1. એટલે કે 3 vertices આપેલા છે ટ્રાયેંગલના. આપણે circumcenter એટલે કે પરિકેન્દ્ર અને circumradius એટલે કે પરિત્રિજ્યા, આ બંને આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના રહેશે. જોઈએ એનું સોલ્યુશન્સ આપણે. Let A12 be 3, 4 and C21 be the vertices of triangle ABC, and P XY be its circumcenter. So that according to this we have to write PA is equal to PB is equal to PC. That means PA square is equal to PB square is equal to PC square.